appena. Lemma che appena va.
This morning we had a report that is the CEO of the Indian Coast Guard vessel reported to his headquarters that what he sees in his naked eye. So he reported that there's a crack on the port quarter of the ship, and what he has observed, he has reported, and that same report has come to us. Now these cracks are because of the intense heat. The fire is mainly contained to the port quarter of the ship. If I be more precise, it is right under the superstructure toward the port side. Even in the images, you will be able to see this thing. So when you have intense heat in one place for quite a long of time, naturally the steel plates get deformed, the welding line get cracked, and you will start to see these cracks. It's going to happen. It's very natural. But it doesn't mean the ship is breaking apart. It doesn't mean that the spill is going to take place. There's no threat of that. Now remember, this ship is 20 meters of draft. That is, from the waterline, 20 meters, 60 feet underneath, you still have the ship. That is where the real strength of the ship lies. So these cracks are very important for us to analyze things. For me, it will give an opportunity for me to analyze what is the hull condition, what is the heat condition, what type of heat is being generated inside, these kind of thing. For you, it will represent something else.
Admiral, I've got a question.
What's the worst case scenario? What's the best case scenario given what you're observing at present?
Best case scenario, we control the fire, put the expert team on board with couple of the ship's crew. They tow up, and then the owners take the ship where they want to take it. That is the best case scenario. The worst case scenario, because of the intense heat, if we cannot control the fire for maybe for 5, 6, 7 days, the hull crack, ship break, snap, and then it start tilting. If that happens, obviously we will have to put the surface booms. In fighting oil, there's something called boom laying. So you encircle the complete ship. Now the ship is 333 meters. So on one side you need 350, other side you need 350, that is 700. And further, let's say 700 on the front and back. So 1,500 meters is quite enough to encircle it. Now remember, this is 20-meter draft, and there's an intense pressure inside, underneath the water. And that pressure itself limits the oil spill, anything coming out. These are practical experience in the trade, in these scenarios. So we are aware of that. Indian Navy is aware of that. Indian Coast Guard is aware of that. Our own officers are aware of that. So I am sure with that we will be able to curtail, and we will need definitely the international support to clean up the oil spill if it ever happens.